Welcome back to Car Review Hub 2025. The world of luxury cars has always been dominated by two legendary German rivals, BMW and Audi. For decades, these two automakers have been locked in an unending battle of technology, style, and performance. Today, in 2025, the competition is fiercer than ever. So buckle up, because this is going to be the ultimate head-to-head showdown, BMW versus Audi, where innovation meets identity and passion meets precision. Let's start with what makes these brands so iconic. BMW, known as the ultimate driving machine, has built its reputation on dynamic performance and driver-focused engineering. Every BMW feels alive on the road, from the compact 3 Series to the majestic 7 Series, and from the sporty X5 to the electric iX. Audi, on the other hand, has built its empire on progressive design and technological excellence. With its famous Vorsprung durch Technik, progress through technology, Audi stands for futuristic interiors, precise German craftsmanship, and all-weather confidence through its legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. Now, when we talk about design, both automakers take distinctly different approaches. BMW goes for muscular shapes, sculpted lines, and a strong presence that screams confidence. The kidney grille, love it or hate it, is now a bold signature that instantly tells you it's a BMW. In 2025, the brand's design language blends tradition with aggression, especially in models like the i5 and i7, which feature sleek LED lighting and aerodynamic efficiency. Audi, on the contrast, goes for elegance and sophistication. Its designs are minimalist yet striking, emphasizing clean lines and perfect proportions. The single-frame grille and signature LED matrix headlights give every Audi a futuristic edge. The latest A6 e-tron and Q8 Sportback showcase Audi's precision in sculpting luxury, where every curve looks intentional and every detail feels meticulously engineered. Inside, both brands offer luxurious cabins, but their philosophies couldn't be more different. Step inside a BMW, and you're greeted by a cockpit that revolves around the driver. The new curved display seamlessly integrates digital gauges and infotainment, while the iDrive 8.5 system gives you fast, intuitive control. Materials feel premium, soft leather, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. BMW interiors are sporty yet luxurious, designed to make you feel like you're piloting something special. On Audi, the interiors focus on modern luxury and minimalism. Its interiors feel like a tech lounge rather than a cockpit. The MMI touch response system replaces traditional buttons with haptic touchscreens that respond to every tap. The virtual cockpit, one of Audi's biggest strengths, remains a benchmark. Crisp, customizable, and deeply immersive. The seats are crafted to perfection, often with Valcona leather and contrast stitching, making every drive feel first class. When it comes to performance, the battle gets even more exciting. BMW continues to emphasize rear-wheel drive dynamics and precision handling. Whether it's the 3 Series, M4, or i4 M50, BMW delivers thrilling acceleration and cornering confidence. The steering feels alive, the balance is superb, and every throttle input feels connected. Even in its electric models, BMW maintains that signature driver's car DNA. Audi, on the other hand, focuses on balance, traction, and confidence. Its Quattro all-wheel drive system has become legendary, providing unmatched grip in all conditions. Whether you're driving an A4, an S6, or the e-tron GT, Audi makes you feel secure, powerful, and smooth. The ride quality is refined, the acceleration is instant, and the power delivery feels seamless. Now let's talk about engines and electrification. BMW's lineup in 2025 includes some of the most advanced powertrains on the market. The brand's plug-in hybrids offer a great mix of efficiency and performance, while the i-Series, like the i4, i5, and i7, push the boundaries of driving range and dynamic agility. The i7, for example, offers over 300 miles of range with exhilarating acceleration that challenges even the best super sedans. Audi's electric future is equally ambitious. The e-tron family, including the Q8 e-tron and the new A6 e-tron, showcase stunning design, rapid charging, and impressive range. Audi's focus on efficiency and luxury makes its EVs some of the most comfortable electric vehicles to drive. The e-tron GT, developed alongside Porsche's Taycan, delivers breathtaking performance and a futuristic driving experience that feels like something straight out of science fiction. When it comes to technology and infotainment, Audi tends to lean more toward digital sophistication, while BMW focuses on interactivity and driver engagement. Audi's interiors are a masterclass in subtle tech integration, with high-resolution displays and voice control that respond naturally. BMW's system, however, offers more dynamic feedback, gesture control, and even augmented reality navigation. Both brands lead the luxury market in innovation. It just depends on whether you prefer elegance or excitement. Safety and driver assistance are equally impressive on both sides. BMW's Driving Assistant Professional package provides adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Audi's adaptive systems are among the smoothest and most intelligent in the business, offering radar-guided precision and exceptional confidence in urban and highway settings. Price and value are where the decision often becomes personal. In general, BMW models tend to carry a slightly higher starting price, but they deliver more driver involvement